In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change YouTube Music profile picture. We will do this from your web browser, and the change will carry over to YouTube Music automatically. First, open your browser and search for YouTube. Type YouTube into the search bar and press enter. On the results page, you will see a few different links, usually with YouTube near the top and a short description under each result. This tells you that you are on the regular search page and not yet inside YouTube itself. Once you see the search results, click the correct YouTube link and sign in. The correct link usually says YouTube and has the familiar red play button icon. After it opens, look in the top right corner for the sign in button. Click it, then choose your Google account and enter your password. When you are signed in, you should see your small profile picture or a colored initial circle in that same top right area. That confirms you are logged into the account whose picture you want to change. Now click your profile picture in the top right corner and select your channel. When you click the picture, a drop-down menu appears with several options like Switch Account and Sign Out. In that menu, find your channel and click it. The page will change to show your channel header, your large profile icon on the left, and any videos or playlists if you have them. If you do not see any videos, that is fine. You are still in the right place as long as you see your channel name and the big profile circle. Next, hover your mouse over your large profile icon and click the camera icon that appears. Move your mouse slowly over the big circle image near your channel name. A small camera icon should fade in on top of that circle. Beginners sometimes click too early, before the icon appears, so make sure you actually see the tiny camera symbol. Once it is visible, click directly on that camera icon. The site then starts loading the next page. This will redirect you to your YouTube Studio customization tab. Click the change button next to your picture. YouTube Studio looks a bit different, with a menu on the left and tabs across the top like Layout, Branding, and Basic Info. You should land on the Branding tab automatically, and near the top you will see your current profile picture preview. Right beside that preview, there is a button labeled Change. Click that button once. If nothing happens, wait a moment, since slower connections can delay the image picker window. Now upload a new image from your computer and click Done. Then click Publish in the top right corner. A file window opens, letting you browse your folders. Choose a clear square image if possible, since YouTube Music shows it in a small circle. After selecting the file, you will see a preview and a Done button. Click Done to confirm the new picture. The Branding tab updates to show the new image. Finally, move to the top right corner and click Publish so the change goes live. You will see a small confirmation bar along the bottom of the screen saying your changes were saved. You have now updated your YouTube profile picture, which YouTube Music will also use for your account. If this helped you clean up your YouTube Music profile, a quick thumbs up is appreciated, and feel free to subscribe for more simple walkthroughs.